They look human. They speak like us. They can even build a following, share opinions, and earn an income. Yet, they don't exist. Welcome to the rise of digital humans, AI-powered avatars redefining what it means to be human. Digital humans are more than just 3D models. They're hyper-realistic AI personalities, programmed to learn, express emotion, and connect with real audiences. Some are influencers, brand ambassadors, or even virtual friends. And for millions of people, they feel real. We're entering a time where human isn't about flesh and bone, but data and design. Think about it. You can now clone your voice, your face, even your mannerisms. You could exist as a digital version of yourself, living, posting, speaking online, even after you're gone. But this raises powerful questions. If a digital clone continues your life online, who are you, really? And what happens when a brand or an algorithm controls your digital identity? As AI blurs the line between authentic and artificial, we're forced to rethink identity itself. Maybe being human isn't about appearance, but about consciousness, creativity, and imperfection. Digital humans can mimic emotion, but they don't feel it. They can speak truth, but they don't understand it. That's where the difference lies, in the messy, beautiful, unpredictable parts of us that can't be coded. Digital humans will reshape media, marketing, and even our sense of self. But as the line between reality and simulation blurs, we must decide, do we control our digital identities or let them define us? I'm Cynthia, and this is SynthiaTek, where we explore the space between humanity and technology.